Moab, Utah isn't just about the national parks. In this video, we're taking you off the beaten path, jumping into a side-by-side adventure that you will not believe. We also will be checking out some good and not so good foodie spots that even surprised us. Plus, we'll share a glimpse of RV life in Moab. From tackling laundry day to giving the truck a much-needed wash. Stick around, you might see a side of Moab that you didn't expect.
She asked if anybody was a professional driver, and I kind of was like, hey, I'm a professional tractor driver.
Did you die?
How perfect.
So we got off the Schaefer Trail today in the truck. Came in and we just had dinner at the Moab Diner, so it was okay. You know, the service wasn't great, but it was okay. It was very loud inside, but the food was fine. We just came down to Lions Park, and we're going to take a walk on the bike trail. Maybe, hopefully, I think the trail just follows the Green River, so it should be a nice little stroll. And today's temperatures, let me tell you, it's been like right now it's 75. The last 3 or 4 days, it's been in the hundreds, 100 degrees or more at this time of night, and it's what, 6:30 in the evening. So that's what we've been dealing with. But we're gonna go take a walk.
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down.
I can feel this thing bouncing.
This is a playground for kiddos.
I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again. Now that you know that I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, 'cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
I guess one thing that always makes a trip is finding good pizza. It's time for dinner. Yeah, we were hiking hard the last 2 days, and all right, let's go get some dinner.
Thank you. This looks good. Vanilla old fashioned and chocolate. All right, so we have donuts for tomorrow morning for our sunrise. Right here, got broke. This like plastic cover, because it's like full of like grime now.
We decided to come to the food truck park here in Moab, and I just talked to one of the owners, of course, the quesadilla. She said food trucks are not allowed to move in Utah. The rules are they have to stay in one place. So the owner of this property put in power, water, everything for food trucks, so it's convenient for them and it's passive income for them. But I just thought how cool this is to be able to just come here and choose whatever food you like, even if you're in a large crowd, a large group. There's something for everybody.
And they have ice cream here too.
Oh, there you go. They got something for Joni. All right, so for our last night in Moab, we are going to do a 4x4 adventure.
An epic 4x4.
Yeah, with Epic. That's the company. So we'll be an epic 4x4 adventure, and we are actually going to be driving our own side-by-side. Well, I think Joni's going to do most of the driving.
We can switch.
We'll see. I'm going to let her drive because I drove her crazy on that Schaefer trail. So now it's her turn to do the favor. But
Except you broke something. I hope I don't break anything.
Yeah, we're doing a sunset tour. It's like 3 hours long. And I think it's going to be fantastic. It's really hot out right now. So
yeah, and what better thing to do on the 4th of July than celebrate like what Americans do best.
That's right.
Off-roading. Chess, if anybody was a professional driver, and I kind of was like, hey, I'm a professional tractor driver. I was born to do this.
You ready to do this?
Oh yeah,
It's going to get crazy, I have a feeling.
I think so. I think it's going to be good fun.
But did you die?
straighten out those tires right there. And lots of brake pressure. Lots of brakes, nice and slow. It doesn't matter how fast you go down there.
Holy cow.
And stop right there. Stop. Stop the car. Alright. There you go.
Oh my word.
Well, what do you think
That was awesome.
so far?
I got something real quick. I brought something for this. Are you ready? I gotta pull my hair back. How about that? How appropriate.
All right, so I guess it's time to saddle back up.
We're going up Hell's Revenge on this one.
Yeah, I've seen this one on videos and stuff. So
I got to figure out how to put this on with a hat on now. I don't know. Okay, there we go.
there you go.
Got it.
Down from these cliffs up here, and it fills with water, and they play some of drone footage. It was Lake Michigan. And nice and easy, and then
Yeah,
they
that
show it
section-
up the hill.
that
Up
section
the
is
hill,
Lake
keep on going
Michigan.
back down the hill, 'cause the cars- It's nice, bumpy.
Well, we're going to go off the accelerator. I can't see.
That's going, so you can close your eyes up here, you're gonna hang to that right-hand side. Don't fall into that left-hand side over there. Keep on going.
How you feeling?
Good. This is awesome.
This is the real deal.
This really sucks because I'll probably want to go buy one now.
I'd rather have one of these than a Jeep because these seem more capable.
They seem more capable.
And
Going
Jeff,
down so bad, let's get up. Okay, it's just bumpy down here.
Right from the factory, I think they're more capable.
The front tires down first. This dead tree up here, there's another little ledge, so we're going to use some brake pressure and let those front tires walk down nice and easy first, and those back tires follow.
that was way fun. and we're just at a
insane.
stopping point just to go up and see the sunset a little
I
bit.
don't know if we're going to see the sunset
Or a view.
yet, yeah, or just a view.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
I don't know what we're doing actually.
Going to go see the Colorado River.
Yep. This might be our sunset spot. We just took a little break. I think that was supposed to be our sunset.
No, I still think we're going to a sunset.
You think?
It was our snack break.
I don't need a snack. I'm not in kindergarten. Let's
Right?
keep riding.
I know, we're burning
ride.
daylight.
Let's ride. How about that, Aaron Hopkins? Let's ride.
You can see where we're going in front of us. See the tire marks on the mountain.
Yeah, I see that.
Look at that sunset. It's beautiful. That's crazy.
Following exactly behind me. We want to be in the right place here so we don't go tumbling down this hill. As long as we're in these black marks, we'll be okay. If you look out your driver's window, that's the dragon's head, and the body wraps around to the wing, and we're going down dragon's tail here. It's flat, nice amount of brake pressure, keep it under control.
A hit and run. I fly
Okay, so we stopped at a overview thing to see the dinosaur tracks, and then and it overlooks the city, so it's pretty cool. But we're getting ready to head back.
Past that front bumper. Put those front tires so it's nice and easy. Lots of brake pressure.
It's a little harder in the dark.
You know, some trips just hit different. And Moab, Utah, this one was unforgettable. We strolled through the heart of town, popping into quirky shops and grabbing bites at some of the best restaurants we've ever tried. But the real adventure kicked in on the 4th of July. We took a U-Drive side-by-side tour through Hell's Revenge and Fence and Things. Yep, we drove it ourselves, riding over slick rock, catching that golden hour glow as the sun set before the bedrock. And just when we thought it couldn't get any better, fireworks lit up the desert sky right above our campsite. It was one of those moments where you pause and think, this is why we do this. Life's too short to keep waiting. If you've been dreaming about hitting the road, exploring, making memories, you don't have to wait for someday. Someday's now. Happy glamping.